to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, let's hop into the charts, and right now it's about 7:50 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is at 110,632. Starting off here with the weekly chart, and we're bouncing off the 21 moving average, which is currently at 107,967. The stochastics are on the way down. Like I've been telling you guys, I still think we might be here 2 or 3 weeks before this could actually start rounding back up. As long as we can stay above this 21 moving average, this is still bullish to me. Let's see how this candle closes in about 2 days. Hopefully we stay above this 21 moving average. On the 2-day chart, the stochastics are rounding back up. We were trying to get above the 50 moving average. Right now we're kind of getting rejected, but let's see what ends up happening. I feel like once this fully resets and we're on the way up, we could probably get past this 21 moving average, which is at 114,912. Now on the daily chart, the stochastics are on the way up. If we zoom in, I'm seeing a slight curve. It's still too early to tell. It could probably still continue going up, but we have to keep that in mind. And over here, it looks like we went above the 21 moving average today. That was at 112,438, and I believe we went up today as high as 113,384. Right now, we wicked all the way down, so it is a little bit bearish, but at least we did make it back above the 21 moving average briefly. Now this candle closes in 10 minutes, so it's probably going to close right now above 110k, which to me is still bullish because that keeps us in the range of 110k and 120k. This is where I'm thinking that this is a possible inverted head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, and this is the possible right shoulder. If this breaks out, this could take us back above 117k, close to 118k. This will bring us back above all these moving averages. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen in the near future. Let's see what ends up happening. We still do have room on the stochastics here. On the 22-hour time frame, we see that the stochastics are kind of rolling over. Maybe we could roll back up here. RSI kind of looks like it wants to turn back up. As long as we could stay above the 21 moving average, I remain bullish. In the 10-hour chart, it does look like we are curving back up. We are holding the 21 moving average there. 8-hour chart, same thing. On the 4-hour chart, this is where I originally did put the inverted head and shoulder, and as you can see, we've been tracing it pretty good. As long as we don't fall below this head, which is below 107,300, I would say, we could still be making this right shoulder. But it's imperative that we get above this 200 moving average as soon as possible. That's at 114,317. Right now we are rolling over on the stochastic RSI. We did get some bearish divergence here. RSI is pointing down. We do have a red engulfing candle that right now shows we're losing this 21 moving average at 111,173. Right now the 50 moving average is holding us as support. Like I said, it's imperative that we stay above that 50 moving average. If we do go below, then we do not want to go below this head. On the 1-hour chart, we see that the stochastics are low, but we are rolling over, and we did lose these moving averages, but the 200 moving average is here as support. And on the 15-minute time frame, similar to the 1 hour, it looks like we're rolling over, and here we did lose most of the moving averages. As long as we can stay above 110k and not really close candles below that, I remain bullish, and I feel like we could start making a move towards 115k, 117k, maybe even 120k. We did hit the first stop, which was 113k. On the 1-hour chart before, I did draw a flag that was supposed to break us out, I believe, to 113,800. So we got pretty close to that today, since we got up to like about 113,400 if we would have waited and not taken profits early. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.